Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to rename payment methods at Shopify checkout using PayRules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now, add any condition. Give a rule name as Rename Payment Methods. Now go to the Rule settings and tick the Rename checkbox. Now go to the Payment Method section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button. Add the payment method which you want to rename and type the name which you want in the New Payment Name box. For example, here I select Bank Deposit and rename it as a Bank Information. Finally, click on the Save button. Go to the Checkout page and check it. As you can see, the payment method name has been successfully renamed. That's it. Simple way to rename payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!